Gracia. Her hobbies are cooking, sometimes shopping, and Zumba dancing. Her talent is singing. Vital statistics are 33, 31, 35. Her glowing line, ang kaibigan na palaging nandyan at masasandalan, hindi ka tatalikuran sa hangganan ng mga kaganapan. Candidate number 2, Miss Minda and Gracia.
Candidate number 3. He loves dancing, vlogging, cooking, and reading.